Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this digital food scale. Now in this video, we're gonna talk a little bit about this scale and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now this is the scale right here, and you'll notice first off, this a nice large stainless steel section. That's where you'll go ahead and set the food or maybe the item that you wanna go ahead and weigh. Now this scale says it can withstand up to 33 pounds of weight, so that's a lot of weight here on this little tiny scale. So I've been super impressed. It does have a lot of durability in that regard. I wanted to show you here, you've got two buttons here. This is your on and off or your zero out button, and this right here switches the units. So currently we're measuring in pounds here, but if we wanted to go ahead and switch it to ounces, we could do that. You also have milliliters or milliliters with milk there. We've got kilograms and grams as well. So a lot of different units we can go ahead and measure in, but let me show you my favorite feature about this scale, and that is because it's not running off a cord, it's actually battery powered. So they do provide you with two AAA batteries to go ahead and use, or they also provide you a charging cable because this scale is actually rechargeable. If we take a close look there, you can see that's a USB-C charging port right there, which is really awesome that they include that. You can actually go ahead and recharge this scale, and I haven't found another scale that does that, and I love that feature about this scale. And for that reason, I would highly recommend this scale, as it's been very accurate for me, very easy to use, and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.